MxxYhu Matthew chapter 8. And when he came down from the mountain, large crowds followed him. And see, a leper came and bowed before him, saying, Master, if you desire, you are able to make me clean. And stretching out his hand, Yahusha touched him, saying, I desire it. Be cleansed. And immediately his leprosy was cleansed. And Yahusha said to him, See, mention it to no one, but go your way, show yourself to the priest, and offer the gift that Moshe commanded, as a witness to them. And when Yahusha had entered Capharnaum, a captain came to him, appealing to him, saying, Master, my servant is lying in the house paralyzed, grievously tortured. And Yahusha said to him, I shall come and heal him. And the captain answering said, Master, I am not worthy that you should come under my roof, but only say a word, and my servant shall be healed. For I too am a man under authority, having soldiers under me. And I say to this one, Go, and he goes, and to another, Come, and he comes, and to my servant, Do this, and he does it. And when Yahusha heard, he marveled, and said to those who followed, Truly I say to you, not even in Yasharal have I found such great belief. And I say to you that many shall come from east and west and sit down with Abraham and Yitzchak and Yaakov in the reign of the heavens. But the sons of the reign shall be cast out into outer darkness. There shall be weeping and gnashing of teeth. And Yahusha said to the captain, Go, and as you have believed, so let it be done for you. And his servant was healed that hour. And when Yahusha had come into the house of Kaf, he saw his wife's mother lying sick with inflammation. And he touched her hand, and the inflammation left her, and she arose and served them. And when evening had come, they brought to him many who were demon-possessed. And he cast out the spirits with a word, and healed all who were sick, that it might be filled what was spoken by Yeshayahu the prophet, saying, He himself took our weaknesses and bore our sicknesses. And when Yahusha saw large crowds about him, he gave a command to go off to the other side. And a certain scribe, having come near, said to him, Teacher, I shall follow you wherever you go. And Yahusha said to him, The foxes have holes, and the birds of the heaven nests, but the Son of Adam has nowhere to lay his head. And another of his taught ones said to him, Master, first let me go and bury my father. But Yahusha said to him, Follow me, and leave the dead to bury their own dead. And when he entered into a boat, his taught ones followed him. And see, a great gale arose on the sea, so that the boat was covered by the waves, but he was sleeping. And his taught ones came to him and woke him up, saying, Master, save us, we are perishing. And he said to them, Why are you afraid, O you of little belief? Then, having risen, he rebuked the winds and the sea, and there was a great calm. And the men marveled, saying, What is this, that even the winds and the sea obey him? And when he came to the other side, to the country of the Girgashites, 2 demon-possessed ones met him, coming out of the tombs, very fierce, so that no one was able to pass that way. And see, they cried out, saying, What have we to do with you, Yahusha, son of Alhim? Have you come here to torture us before the appointed time? And at a distance from them there was a herd of many pigs feeding. And the demons begged him, saying, If you cast us out, send us into the herd of pigs. And he said to them, Go. And they, coming out, went into the herd of pigs. And see, the entire herd of pigs rushed down the steep place into the sea and died in the water. And the herdsmen fled and went away into the city and reported all this and about those possessed by demons. And see, all the city came out to meet Yahusha. And when they saw him, they begged him to leave their borders.